Shall I stay? Would it be a sin? For I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too. For I can't help falling in love with you. For I can't help falling in love with you.
Well done.
Thank you.
So, you thu ingi ka kerteng jongpi?
My name is Abigail
Kajan?
Rymmai.
Rymmai. Are you studying?
Yes,
In which school?
Kendriya Vidyalaya in Nehu.
Okay, which class are you in?
I'm in class 6.
Okay, you have a good voice.
Thank
Okay,
you.
you can hit the high notes. All right, and you need more practice. And there are parts where you tend to sing with your nose. Okay, but then when you belt out your voice, okay, belt it out. You should have the confidence. Okay, when you sing, let it out. It doesn't matter. But then you will also need to control at the same time. All right. But then with practice, I know that you can do that. All right. So all the best.
Thank you.
Keep it up.
You sang a very good song. In the beginning, when you were starting the song, when a voice man says, so you were singing one word after another. You were not joining the words. Actually, you should try to not sing in a, what do you say, in a staccato. You know staccato. You must not sing that way. From the beginning till the end of the song, you were singing kind of that way. So maybe if you practice more, you can do better in that one. Okay.
Some things are meant to be. Miss Lakdiang.
Welcome to my team.